Hello, I use this opportunity to welcome you to Good Health, Good Life. This is a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you my knowledge on the health benefits of the herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. It is my desire to see each and every one of you to live in good health. So if it interests you to be part of this amazing family, then do well to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified to watch. Don't keep this message to yourself. Share with your family and friends and also comment under the comment section. Are you suffering from chicken pox? Or you know someone who is suffering from chicken pox? Or you want to prevent the occurrence of chicken pox? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then this natural remedy is good for you. Watch this video to the end as I take you through the process involved in the preparation of this natural or herbal remedy. For the treatment of chicken pox, all you need is the aloe vera plant. The aloe vera plant. So I'm using 5 of the aloe vera leaves. I'm also going to use lime. So these are the 2 things that I'm going to use in the preparation of this remedy. Cut the aloe vera leaves into smaller units. Okay, so after cutting, this is what you have, and the next thing you are going to do is cut off the pricks from both sides of the leaves. Alright, so after cutting the aloe vera leaves, you will realize that a yellow substance will be coming out, a yellow substance. That substance makes the aloe vera to be bitter. So at this moment, what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak the aloe vera leaves for at least 5 minutes in order to get rid of the yellowish substance. After the 5 minutes is up, take your time to wash the aloe vera leaves. Wash it thoroughly. You'll be washing it twice in order to get rid of the dirt. So after washing the aloe vera leaves, we are going to wash the lime. I'm using 4 of the lime based on the quantity I'm preparing. So you can increase the quantity of the lime based on the quantity of the remedy you are preparing. That is it. At this moment, you are going to add 2 cups of water, which is about 1.5 liters. 1.5 liters. Then from here, I'm going to crush the aloe vera leaves in order to extract the gel into the water. Alright, so after crushing, you will realize that the water becomes slimy because of the aloe vera gel. Alright, so after crushing the aloe vera leaves, I'm going to collect the leaves from the water. So at this point, I'm going to squeeze the juice out of the lime into it. So I'll squeeze the juice out. Just squeeze the juice out of the lime. So after squeezing the juice from the lime into the aloe vera water, what I'm going to do is to strain it. Now at this point, when you realize that the water is too sticky, then you have to add a little quantity of water to it until you are satisfied with the sticky nature of it. Don't let it be too sticky. So when it is too sticky, just add enough water to it to your satisfaction. I keep adding the water to it. Okay, I'm now okay with the stickiness of it. At this moment, I'm going to strain the liquid. So take your time and strain the liquid. So this is what you'll be drinking. This is what you'll be drinking. All right, so after taking you through the whole process of preparing this natural remedy for the treatment of chicken pox, this is the liquid or the aloe vera water that you'll be drinking. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to keep the aloe vera water in a container which has lid on it. So you are going to cover it, and anytime you feel thirsty, you fetch this water and drink. Now, if you are suffering from chicken pox, you are going to drink these continuously for 7 days. And after 7 days, I assure you that chicken pox will be a thing of the past. Now, this remedy is also good for boils. Now, if after drinking this remedy for 7 days and you haven't seen any change on your skin, then I entreat you to visit the hospital. It is very important. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. If you have learned something new from this video, then I urge you to share it with your family and friends so that they can also learn this herbal remedy for the treatment of chicken pox and boils. If you have ever used aloe vera before, I want you to share your experience under the comment section. Be part of this family where we are trying to build a society of healthy people by only subscribing to the channel, like the video, and don't forget, try and eat lots of fruits and vegetables, exercise on daily basis, and also visit the hospital on a regular basis in order to know your health status. Until I see you in the next one, peace.